This message is on love, and I want to say that love is being, love is not doing, and love is not having. And also, there is a song, Love is in the Air. It's not exactly the truth because we are love, people are love, and love may be in the air, but love is you. You are love. Your presence is so precious. And when you are love, you are in your essence and you are authentic. So, the objective of our lives is to be authentic, is to realize our true nature, to be truly ourselves, because in this way we can contribute correctly to the whole of the creation. So, love is not something that is between two people, but it's something that someone can activate in you, that people can activate in each other. So when this is happening, when this happens, you feel so wonderful because you are yourself. You are in your true nature. That's why it feels so good. But in truth, you don't need actually a romantic love to be love, because it's truly what you are. So just be love. You can be love towards people that are close to you, towards your family, your friends, even strangers. Yesterday, I had a visit from a relative, and this relative told me something that I liked very much. This relative said to me that he is so jealous of my neighbor because I visit my neighbor very often because it's so near, and we eat together and chat together in the garden. And this relative lives at a distance, so I try to visit this relative as often as I can, but naturally it's not so often as my neighbor that lives so close to me. And this relative was jealous of the time that I spent with my neighbor. And it was something beautiful. You have to understand that even if you don't have your wish fulfillment right now, maybe you don't have or you cannot be with your perfect partner, with your ideal partner, with your soulmate. Maybe you don't actually are fully aware of this, but you can be somebody else wish fulfillment. And this being that may have you as wish fulfillment may be a human being or maybe also a pet. So, you being love, you being in your true essence, you can contribute so much to the happiness of other people. You may be a gift, you may be a blessing for so many people. And sometimes, when the ideal, perfect relationship ends, we can compare it to a tree that is dry in your garden. And this tree does not bear fruits, and this tree doesn't have leaves anymore. So this is a very difficult situation, and it's sad, obviously, especially when this tree was so precious to you. But still, you can be love. Still, you have the garden. You have other plants, other trees in your garden, and you still can be a good gardener, loving gardener towards your plants and your trees. And in this situation, comfort yourself and prepare the soil, because God may plant something else in your garden, a different seed in your garden. So you should prepare the soil, and remember also that love is eternal. Love is patient. You have unlimited time. You have plenty of time. You are not on a clock to love and to be loved. And it's so beautiful this way. You are here and you are precious to be here. You are a blessing, a wish fulfillment for others, and you have also tasks, and you have different tasks for a different time. So identify the tasks that you have, and the number one task is to be yourself, be authentic, be love.